Guess who I got during the live event in Brain Rot Evolution today?
Cha-cha-chi-cha-cha-cha-chi!
I got this red table!
Cha-cha-chi, 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 cha-cha-chi!
Did you like that? But it's not, it's basically the same as Cannelloni Dragoni. So if I had the Cannelloni Dragoni, my damage would be 3.28 octillion. Not that bad, if you ask me. But of course, you know the drill. This is still the best one I have. The
Υποποταμίνο σούπερ μαρκετίνο.
or the